Greg Udelhoven with ForConstructionPros.com. I'm here at World of Asphalt with Marty Evans, who's field support for Topcon. We're here to talk about the Sitelink D2, a remote connectivity for the P32 diagnostic equipment on the paver. Marty, give me some background on how this came about and how it's being used in the field today.
Basically what we're doing is we're taking the information that's in the control box, we're looking at it, we're using it for diagnostics, and we can also go in and look at the performance of what the crews have done. So it's giving them more information, and it's also letting us, as a support company, to be able to go in and look to make sure all of our parameters are right.
So the advantage of that is someone remotely in your office, whether it's a foreman, whether it's a technician, they can observe what's going on out in the field and they can respond to it quicker?
Yes, sir. They wouldn't have to make a service call for an hour or two to go out to the field to go do it. They could look here and all this information would be here.
Okay, and basically it's talking to the home office on how the equipment is set up on both sides of the paver, what's going on. So what are some of the things that it's monitoring or it's describing for you?
It's describing, right now it's telling me the grades where I'm at, how close to grade I am.
Okay.
I can look at snapshots to see different things of what's going on out there, whether the control boxes were put in automatic. Okay, I can look at all that. I can look at the perimeters, all the settings that were put in this control box to run this particular paver. Okay. They're in here, so I can know if anybody has changed anything.
So you're gathering data every day that this paver is out on a project?
Yes, sir. Every 1 minute we take a shot and we know where we are, and it can send that data back to the office, and I can know this whole job.
Okay. So Marty, you were telling me that you can not only observe what's going on in the field, but you can actually react to it.
Yes, sir. I can go in here and I can look at the settings, and I can actually go in here and remotely I can change what those settings are. So that if someone made a mistake or put the wrong setting in here, I can correct it from my office, never having to go out there. I'm much more comfortable in my office. There's a lot less going on in my office. I can make those changes.
And do people on the paver actually know that happened?
No. They can look at it, they can look inside and see that I've changed it, but they don't necessarily know that I did it. No, sir.
So when is this going to be available in the field? Is it available now?
No, it's very, very close.
Okay.
Basically, we're waiting for the price point to come through, and then it will be released.
Okay. Is there anything else that we need to know about the Sitelink 2D?
Nope. It's a great tool, and you need to get it for your pavers.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot, Marty.
Thank you.